This is going to be our first ever Butcher Box.
Unboxing.
Our first ever Butcher Box unboxing. This was something ordered in haste during the great meat shortage of 2020 and toilet paper shortage of 2020. This was ordered in haste once I learned of some things on certain apps in my area. This is the large beef and pork box. Okay, we have inside the box here, inside the box it says there's 2 strip steaks, 2 ground beef, 2 things of ground beef, 2 things of pork chops, 3 things of butcher box bacon, 2 pork sirloin roasts, and 2, it just says back ribs, half slab. So, not a whole hell of a lot of beef in there if you ask me.
Yeah.
Okay, here's a patented fill. Ooh, look at that. That looks like insulation, which oddly enough it is. Wonder if we could eat that. A little bit of dry ice. That'll be fun to play with. This is gone. Get the kids out here. Another insulated thingamajigger. Okay. 10 ounces of bacon. $10 ounces of bacon. I guess it's all applewood smoked. This is really cold. I mean, it's almost painful to hold. Another bacon. Pork loin. 2 pounds of pork loin. Another pork loin. 2.53 pounds. Sirloin, grass-fed beef strip loin steak. 10 ounces and 10 ounces, so each one 10 ounces. So I see, it's two of these, two piece. So that's okay. So that's ain't too bad. I was thinking we were just gonna get two of these. So 2 more. Boneless pork loin chop. Man, these are super cold. I mean, they're hurting my fingers holding them. Another pork loin chop. Pork spare rib, St. Louis style, whole. 2.5 pounds there. 2.68 pounds, same thing. Pork ribs, looks like two in each one. And then 4 of these.
We got plenty.
Plenty, yeah, I was like, pork's wonderful, but when you put your hand in here, it's crazy. That is cold in there, and there's no. That is cold. There's nothing, no ice in here. No ice in here, but it feels like a refrigerator in there. Which, of course, because the cold has sunk. Is that worth $238? I don't know. We're gonna have to find out. The only way we can find out is cooking it. Thanks for checking this out. I'll do a review later, I suppose. Until then, we'll see you later.